So the question is, how do I build an email list for affiliate marketing, and how do I start for free? You know that you need to get people to give you their email address, but do you understand why they would give you why they would give you their email address? They will give you their email address in exchange for information that they're looking for something that helps them. You have to first, to build an email list, you have to first figure out how you are going to help people in exchange for their email. Now, how do you actually do that? Let's start with a proven strategy. Now, inside of my proven strategy, or inside of affiliating, how I teach people how to build a profitable online business, I have the top strategy, which is traffic, offer, and people. Now, you see up here, step 7, build your email list. You are not here yet. You need to start down here by picking a topic, which starts with the question that I asked just a second ago. What problem are you going to solve, and for whom? Who are the people that have a specific problem, and how are you going to help them with that problem? So go back and start with picking a topic. Step number 1, to generate traffic. Now at this stage, don't overthink it. Just move back and simply look at a few examples, a few simple examples. Thinking about if someone has a problem, if they've never done something, what questions are they going to ask? What questions are people that have never been camping going to ask? What are questions that people who have never built a website or a blog, what questions are they going to ask? People that have never written a resume, what questions are they going to ask? What questions are you asking, or what questions were you asking that brought you to this video? I'm answering those questions for you. So if I was to simply give you a link in this video that promised to show you exactly how to do that, of course, I'm already showing you in this video, so you don't need to give me your email address yet, but understand that this is what you do. You pick a topic and you think of the questions that people are going to ask. Then when you pick a topic, then you look at the tools and the technology and the time required to set up all the technical pieces, or the step-by-step of the how to set up and build your email list, or up here inside of the top strategy of traffic, offer, people, that is adding people that you have helped with your content down here that you're going to consistently create. That is traffic that drives people over to a super simple lead magnet or a landing page where people actually type in their name and or their email in exchange for the information that you're going to give them, additional information, additional helpful information about something that ultimately solves their problem, that is the ultimate solution for them. So in exchange for that information, they're going to give you an email address, and that's how you're going to build an email list for free. That's simple. But the mechanisms of tools, tech, and time, and this is getting kind of messy here, but understand that we're starting here with traffic, and for now, we're just ignoring all of this. We picked a topic. So your topic is going to be how to take care of a kitten for the first time in a small apartment in the city. That's your topic. You're going to think of that topic, and you're going to think of all the things that someone would need to know, and then you're going to create consistent content in step 3. But tools, tech, and time to create that content. Of course, where are you going to create that content? Are you going to create videos about that content? Are you going to talk about it on Twitter, Instagram? Are you going to post Pinterest pins? But the mechanism of actually getting people onto your email list. So we'll fast forward a little bit and we'll say, well, I need to build a squeeze page or a landing page for people to put in their email address. So at that point, I can build my email list. What does that look like? Well, check this out. Link in the description. It will take you over to this page for GetResponse. Build your or get your business online with a suite of free marketing software. Build your website, start generating leads, and run email marketing campaigns for free. Yes, for free. It's up to 500 email subscribers that you can add to an email list with a landing page so you can generate leads or build your website, or in this case, just a landing page or a super simple squeeze page that is going to give the people that you're trying to put on your email list helpful information, and you're going to generate leads. You're going to click this button, create a free account. Here it's going to open up a page, which is kind of like the page that you're going to build later or in this video, kind of like what you're going to do. GetResponse is solving a problem for you, so they're collecting your email. Same thing you're going to do for these people that are looking to get a kitten for the first time in their apartment, or like the other topics we talked about, or any topic that you're interested in that you want to build a list so you can promote offers as an affiliate. So here you're going to put in your name, an email address, and you're going to create a password or set a password to create your free account. Click that Create Account button, and after clicking that button, you're still here in step 2 of Tools, Tech, and Time. You're taking the time to understand the technology or understanding that an email autoresponder or a marketing set of software or a suite of marketing software gives you the ability to build a landing page so people can give you their email address, also to put that email into a contact list, and then be able to send out emails to people automatically when they sign up to your email list, and or send them a daily email, a weekly email with helpful information about the problem that they have, about the problem that you are solving around that very one specific topic. So we're back here and we're looking at Tools, Tech, and Time, and we are going to go ahead and we're going to build a super simple lead magnet, and we're going to add people to our email list. Of course, remember, they're coming to us from our consistent content where we announce the fact that, hey, you have a problem, here's the solution. Here's the answers to the questions that you're looking for. That's what consistent content is. That's how you get people over to see your super simple lead magnet or see the page that we're going to build in our free page builder and our free autoresponder over at GetResponse, this free marketing suite that's going to let us build an email list for free. Thanks for signing up. We sent an activation email to my email. Go to your Gmail, and there it is. Please activate your GetResponse account. Activate my account. Click that button. Then after you click that button, it's going to welcome you to GetResponse. Company name, that is optional. If you don't have a company name, just leave it blank. Country, address, zip code, city, state, province, your mobile number. These are all things that you have to enter for spam compliance. If you don't enter this, and if you don't enter real information here, you won't be compliant. So make sure that you do that and then move on to the next step. Then the next step here inside of GetResponse is to choose your path. There is take a shortcut, start your first campaign, or build an audience. Learn how to build a landing page and prepare follow-up emails to go out as needed to help you build and engage with your audience. This is the step that you want to click. So right now, as of me making this video, this is what it looks like. All you need to do is click the link in the description, follow along with exactly what I've done, click build an audience, click next step. So then the next step is you go ahead and you just follow this wizard. Hi, Gary, let's get you set up with tried and true essentials that will help you grow your business. Step 1, set up your account. Check, we've done that. Step 2, create a sign-up page. Let people subscribe to your list when they discover your business online. Building a single landing page or website with a built-in sign-up form. Build a single landing page. This is what you want to do with a built-in sign-up form. Then you can see here, create a welcome autoresponder. This is how you're going to send out messages and test your sign-up process. Then check your contacts report. This right here, find out how many contacts are added and how many unsubscribes over time. Check your contacts report. The idea here is go back and create a sign-up page and build out the page by creating a headline. Drop this button down here, select create a sign-up page, and then do all these other steps. GetResponse is literally going to walk you through this process of using their tool, but you'll go ahead and you'll click create a sign-up page. Then when you take that next step, it's going to say, how do you want to build your landing page? I suggest that you use a ready-made template. You don't get involved in the AI-powered builder right now, but you could pick either one of these. Again, my suggestion, use a ready-made template. Then you're just going to pick a template that matches what you think your audience would like or enjoy or what would stand out to them. Here's something with a dog. We'll go ahead and click use that template. Of course, remember where we're at. We're generating traffic. We picked the topic. We're talking about a kitten or a new kitten in a small apartment. Tools, Tech, and Time is where we are right now. And this is really where you need to be at the beginning to understand that the technology that you're going to use, you're going to actually set up and start sending emails inside of this email autoresponder. You are going to need a domain name with a email account. you can go ahead and do that. GetResponse will give you some tips and hints on that, but it's pretty simple. Right now, I just want to focus on getting your email autoresponder set up, and we'll walk through that wizard when we get to that point. But understand it, under Tools, Tech, and Time, you're taking the time to make sure that you lay that foundation for building that landing page. That page is going to give away information in exchange for an email address. And then you're going to have that page built right here when you present your offer inside of the top strategy of Traffic Offer People. And then, of course, from that super simple lead magnet, you're going to build your email list up here in step 7. And that's really the crux of people inside of the top strategy, understanding that people are the contacts that you're adding to your list. So then you can start following up with them after they see your consistent, helpful content on the topic that you chose here in step 1. So here you can see it's just a drag and drop builder. You're just going to add in a headline and a call to action. And of course, you're not going to leave that dog image there. You're going to change that image out. If you click on that image, you can see over here the background media is changed. You can simply click replace. Here you can see more dogs. If you want to, you can click here, free GetResponse images. That's going to load up some free images that you can use. Simply type in the word kitten, then you'll see some cute pictures or photos of kittens here. Simply pick one that you think works. Here's one with a young girl playing with a kitten. That might be one that you want to use. So you simply just click it. Then you're going to have that image of the girl with the kitten. Of course, at that point, you're going to have to change this up a little bit to make sure that your colors and all that look good the way you like it. That's all drag and drop stuff. I'm not going to get into the design and changing every single little one of these pictures in here. This is going to be for you to do, but then you're going to go in here to the contact us page or the contact us information, and you're going to put in the fields that you want. For example, you probably don't care about message or phone number. You're only interested in name and email. The thing you can also do is you can just delete that contact form there. So we'll go ahead and just select delete that. Then what we can do is we can add in a different form by clicking add elements. Then we can just drag this form over here onto the page, and we'll go down here and select sign up. It's going to be a little cleaner if we just select that, because we just want name and email versus trying to come up with our own form or try to delete those forms that doesn't actually let you delete those fields. You have to create a new form. These are the little nuances. This is the time you're going to have to spend inside of this page builder. Of course, remember, you're doing all this for free, so you have to spend the time to learn how to set up all this technology and these tools to make sure that it's working. Then you simply just select continue. It's going to move on to the next phase here. This is going to be our kitten landing page, where we're going to be adding people to our email list for people that are interested in getting their first kitten. Here you can see subscription settings, add new contacts to which list. You can only have one list. You can see here it named that list for me automatically based upon the name of the account that I signed up with, and you simply then just move on. Of course, if you want to know about any of this information, all you need to do is hover over where it gives you more information. There are also training videos on the GetResponse account or under your GetResponse account on the site. There are training videos. We'll go ahead and click continue, because at this point, this is all you need to do to move along to the next step, which is here, choose a name and domain, the kitten landing page. Here's going to be kitten landing page 90377. They have a couple of different selections here for you. Just take the default, click publish. Down here, you can say you can buy a domain, and I definitely suggest you do this and connect a domain of your own and connect these. So upgrade your accounts, buy a domain name for the niche or for the topic that sounds like, or just your name itself, so you can start building all this out. But right now, we just want to publish this free GetResponse domain, so we have that landing page that we can use so we can get started for free, because you can 100% get started for free utilizing this tool. With this setup, again, this is free. This is the concept. These are the ideas. But remember, the big picture here is the kitten landing page. When you click here, it's going to load that URL, or it's going to take you to that site utilizing, and I'll bring this down so you can see the URL bar here, kitten-landing page 90377.grwebsite.com. This is your landing page that GetResponse has built you for free on their domain. Again, you're getting started for free. You're just trying to add contacts to an email list, to start building an email list. Again, you're going to change out all of this. You're going to add a title, a call to action. You're going to introduce your idea. Here, you're going to add a few paragraphs. of why or how you can help them raise this cute kitten, not this dog. Again, you're going to change all this out. You can put all this information in here, make this page be about the solution that you're providing. And remember, that is all you're doing. You are providing answers to questions, helpful information in the form of content that you post out somewhere on social media. And you say, hey, you want a brand new kitten? Here are the things, or the most important thing. The one thing that you must know before you go to the shelter and adopt a kitten. This is what you need to know. Of course, if you don't know that, then you need to learn it. That's going to be your topic. Of course, using this as an example. So we'll go to ChatGPT. Of course, you can do this for free as well. You can simply just go to ChatGPT and say, what is the one most important thing that a person that wants to get a new kitten in a small apartment needs to know before getting the kitten? Here you're going to see all the things that are needed to know. It's going to give you a list of things. These are the things, these are the questions, these are the solutions that you're going to provide with your answers to these ideas or these thoughts that are going to need to be addressed before someone goes and gets a kitten. And to do that, you're going to use ChatGPT. It's going to give you the information, but what we want to do here is we want to create a headline. So what I'll do at this point is narrow this down, create a headline for the one most important piece of information that I can give in exchange for an email to build my email list of people that want to get a kitten in a small apartment. Unlock the key to happy kitten ownership in small spaces. Then you would take that, you would simply just copy that, go back to your GetResponse account, your free account, link in the description, edit this landing page, edit the design, and add that to your title on your page. So when you're back on your page where people are going to enter their name and their email so you can build your list for free, you're going to update all this information and you're going to make this the headline right here where it says add your title, introduce your idea. This is what your idea is. This is the solution that you're providing in exchange for that email address. In this example, you're going to unlock the key to happy kitten ownership in small spaces. Again, this all goes back to a proven strategy of traffic, offer, people. You need traffic over to an offer. Your offer here is to give them helpful information or to give them an ultimate solution, the ultimate guide, the ultimate step-by-step owner's guide to unlocking your happy kitten in your small living space. Then you're going to add people to an email list, which is what you came here to learn how to do, and do it for free. Link in the description to get the tool that you need to understand or to utilize the technology, which is an email autoresponder, to actually add those email addresses over to an email list. So then you have an email list, you have contacts in an email list that you can send additional information to or additional offers. So you as an affiliate can earn commissions. It is just that simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Just follow this process step by step. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer or make you an additional video on something that's missing that you can't find, but I guarantee you'll find the answers once you open your account inside of GetResponse. They have all the documentation you need to understand exactly how to set up your landing page. The landing page is going to collect that email address with that solution that you're providing in exchange for that email so you can build your email list as an affiliate marketer for free. And it's just that simple. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.